Gorgeous views highlight this 3-bedroom/3-full Bath Raised Rambler and amenity-rich Lake of the Woods. Enjoy stunning sunsets or sunrises from the spacious screened porch. Partially renovated with hardwood floors in the main living area, new windows upstairs, new sliding glass doors, and updated stainless steel appliances. Views from the open living area with living room, kitchen and dining area which opens to the screened porch. Downstairs features a recreation TV room, laundry room with storage. The lower level opens to covered patio area that provides access to level backyard perfect for outdoor games. Oversized 2-car garage and shed provide storage for all your water toys. Great location near the back gate, a short walk to Ramsay Beach and 3 blocks to Green Springs Park. Located on a quiet cove, the private dock is ready for you to start the boating recreational lifestyle. All of this in amenity-rich Lake of the Woods. With so much to do, so little time, so get this lake life started. Enjoy the 2 lakes and the many water sports possible such as fishing, boating, jet skiing, tubing, water skiing or wakeboarding, paddleboards or kayaks. Enjoy fine dining at the Clubhouse or a beverage, watching your favorite sporting event at the Clubhouse Sports Bar or the Wood Center. Jump in the brand new swimming pool or workout in the fitness center. If you like rackets, join the pickleball or tennis clubs. If theater is your thing, enjoy the LOW Players performances at the community center, or better yet, discover your acting talents by auditioning. Hit the fairways at the 18th Hole PGA Golf Course and enjoy the 19th hole at the Wood Center.